Hi viewers, how are you all? Today in this video let us see how to prepare raw banana fry. It is a very tasty dish, a good combo with all variety rices and curd rice. In the description column below this video, I have given the quantity of the ingredients and the method of preparation in English. You can always refer it. The ingredients which I have used are raw banana, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, and for seasoning, mustard seeds and urud dhal. The quantity of oil is 5 to 6 tablespoons. First, add all the spices like chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and mix everything well together using a ladle. If required, add few drops of water. Do not add too much of water. Just little water is enough. Mix well and keep it aside. Heat the oil in a kadai, a thick bottom kadai preferably. Add all the seasonings, one at a time. Then add the marinated raw banana, slowly into the kadai. Mix everything well together and then close it with a lid and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. It will get very easily cooked, and the raw bananas which we buy should be really very tender. See how fast you have learned to make a yummy side dish. I should not say yummy. You should say yummy, yummy, yummy after preparing it. If you like my videos, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share with all your friends and relatives.